Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn if, else, elif. Like three statements we are going to learning now. If, else we have seen from the previous two lectures. Now we are going to adding one more condition with if, else. If we are having to compare one more condition, how it is possible? If we want to compare one more condition, how it is possible? Yes, there is a possibility is there for this hour we are going to comparing with one more condition like a good morning, good evening and a good day segregations we are doing now. Okay, let's see how the things are possible. So here it's a 20, it is there, no? So we'll do like less than 10, we'll take it first. Okay, yes, if hour is there, no? H-O-U-R, hour is less than 10, I would say like it's a good morning. Okay, the construction of the program I'll remake it. MESSAGE, message equal to good morning. Alright, if hour less than 10, it will says good morning. So else if, let's see, else, so we need to continue the previous statement this way. That's it. My problem statement is writing is completed. Else if it is else if, again I am verifying this condition straight away. I am not sending to the else part. That is the purpose. We'll create if, else if, else. If you are having more conditions, you can continually write that else if blocks. Till how many levels you need, you may write yourself. Alright. So, see the good morning and good day and good evening. So now if I run this, let's check. If I run this, it's a good day. So the time is now, it's based on the time it will go. Or else, you may put like comment this line and yeah, we have to play more things, no? Const that equal to maybe like 11 I'll give it. 11 manual hours I'm giving here. Oh, sorry. Const HOUR. It's 11. Okay. So this variable value manually I'm given instead of using system date time. Why? Because I need to check all the conditions specifically. So this less than means we need to give like a 8. We'll get like, see, save this and run it. Good morning we are getting this one. If below 20 means if I given 19, what is the message we'll get now? Good day, I think so. Save it, reload, good day. Wow, how the code is going to be executing step by step. And if it is like above 20 means 20 also we can give. Above 20 means 21. Yes, save it and run the code. Good evening. This block of code is going to be executing. If whenever we are calling the code based on the condition, which condition is making true, that block of code only it will verifies. If first block is false, second block is false, third block is false, continuously it will check till the true. If nothing is there, it will straight away it will go to else part. So this way you can prepare decision making systems coding very perfectly. So I would suggest to you, rather than writing if-else statements, if it is a simple code like a decision-making system, you may prepare the if-else statements only, 1 or 2. Group of programs, group of logic, if you want to add to run a particular statement, use switch cases. That we will see in next lecture. Thank you.